Sorry we cut the episode short last time. We messed that one up. Okay.
Oh shit. Oh shit, that was wrong. I didn't mean to do that, damn it. No wait, no, fuck! Ah! I didn't mean to do that either. Ah, shit. Hang on. Did we get the thing?
Yay! Okay. What happened? Full piece of paper. Oh, I think I know these numbers. 659.
That's what it is?
Mm-hmm. Locked. Plan. Paper with writing. The man of this village had gone mad every night to enjoy the deed most foul. To enjoy the deed most foul. Oh. The pitiful ones are not the women. The babies killed are the pitiful ones. But if I escape, this hell will end. But then I will die. That's freaking depressing.
Wait, hang on.
Careful. Oh, pick it up, damn. Must escape.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Shit. Climb back up.
No escape.
Oh shit.
Please.
Get out. Get out. What the fuck?
No, try that one.
Which way? This way?
That one, yeah.
The same monster's there. What do I do?
Where you sacrifice doll? Where you sacrifice doll? Where you sacrifice doll is there?
Oh. We have to use a stone. What the fuck?
Doll.
What's doll? Where?
There's a doll on your desk over there. Doll.
There.
Yes. Give the doll a mouth.
Okay. I'm trying. I can't.
Okay,
What do I do?
just give the doll to... Just give him the doll.
I can't. I don't have the doll's eyes. I don't have the doll's eyes. What do I do?
I don't know.
Whatever. We have one last one. So that means we're gonna die if we don't have it.
Can I open the door for you?
Yeah.
Are you guys something?
Hang on.
Before...